Alright, let's verify the result. Okay. Looks like actually Claude is returning by now the incorrect page. Let's see. Or the app is not properly reloaded. Ah yeah, alright. So there are actually two recipe pages. Let's delete let's delete this one and import this one. Okay, it doesn't look like in the design, but it looks pretty similar, so it's already a nice step forward. Yeah, let's take a look at the steps first. So yeah, what I would suggest is to include the, I don't know, include the step, no. Let's do it in this way. I think that choose the best recipe string is hard-coded, so let's remove this one. Show just step 1, step 2 and so on here, and here just the content. Or let's keep it this way, let's just remove the choose the best recipe, and I think then we are fine. Okay. So what would be nice to have actually if a recipe is done, to have like maybe not straight away animated, but it would be nice to have like indicator the recipe, like the cooking process is done. Let's write this very abstract prompt. Vibe coding here as hell. As all recipe steps are done and the cooking process is finished, show an overlay. It should compute. Backgrounds. Alright, let's see what's the result. So as we cooked the vanilla cake, an overlay should be shown. You did it. Alright. Yeah, I think that's a pretty satisfying result for this video. I'm gonna summarize a little bit the process and how Claude worked. Put for you, of course, the prompt I used into the description. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and it helped you to see how the new Claude models, the new Claude model for Opus works in action. And yeah, like the video, share the video, and see you next time.